The story of modern timekeeping didn't begin in the Alps. It began here, in England, when John Harrison's marine timekeepers changed the course of navigation. Today, this adventurous spirit endures at the wing. And this festive season, our team is at its busiest, preparing gifts for those who continue to push the limits. A Bremont watch begins with an idea, shaped through design, assembled by hand, and built on a philosophy of testing and uncompromising durability. Hurled from jets, propelled by G-forces. It's British engineering after all. These are tool watches, built for those who go further, on land, at sea, and in the air, wherever the adventure takes you. From the wing to the world.